I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram story music feature not available. So let's go to Instagram. And let's say I want to post something. I want to click on this icon smile at the top, and then you can see music, but if you don't see it, you can just type in music and it's going to come out and you can add it. Now, if that still isn't helping, go back, shake your phone like I did, and then report a problem. Say include and continue, and then say, hey, I tried to post a story, but the music is not showing up. Let me know what I can do better. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.